Good morning from Trapani, in the northwest corner of Sicily. I'm dressed like a dickhead, which can only mean one thing. We're heading out to sea. As you can probably see, it's not the ideal weather to do so, and it's actually not even 20 degrees yet, so this could turn into a disaster. Let's hope for the best. Off we go. Okay, well, we're going slowly before there's too much noise. We did come here specifically to do this boat trip, and the last 2 days have been a little bit windy, which is an understatement. I will put some footage of that in. Some of the boats weren't even going out, so I don't know if we're actually going to be able to swim today. The sun has come out now, but it's still not perfect. Off we go. We've arrived at our first stop, and the sun has magically come out. Fevi's going to jump in first. Apparently. Let's see how cold the water is. Cave things. I'd love to tell you what they are, but there's no English being spoken, which is fine, but it just means that I have no context to anything. The sea looks nice again. It's a bit choppy up against the rocks though. Okay, we do have alcohol now, so things are picking up.
Welcome to Calabria. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Supposedly this camera is waterproof, but I'm still too scared to take it underwater. This is about as good as it's going to get for now. Okay, we're back on dry land, the island of Favignana. We're going to stay here for nearly a couple of hours, have a walk around, see what's going on, get a drink, and then get back on the boat and go somewhere else. Pistachio cannoli. This will keep me going for another 20 minutes or something. Instead of food, we've had a beer. We'll see how that works out later in the day. Pretty much seen all there is to see here. It's nice, but it's small. I think it's just a stopping off point for the boat tours really. It probably gets really busy around now and then gets dead again at night. See you again on the boat, I guess. This might be the last stop, we don't really know. Just another place to swim, some nice turquoise water and a load of fish. Febby, you jumping back in?
Yeah.
See you in the water. Okay, after about a year of using this camera, we've just discovered it's fine underwater. See ya. Well, after saying that it was absolutely fine jumping in the water, we did experience a few audio issues. I'm now in Palermo. I'm not sure you're going to get a full video here because I'm feeling a bit under the weather. My throat's not great. Look out for some shorts or reels or something. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.